We're here at Notinaga JSS to help children with no birth certificates and IDs, and we're hoping that we'll achieve this goal we're working on.
There are about 500,000 children in South Africa who are undocumented. So we took over a school for a day and created a makeshift law clinic where we had paralegals, lawyers, we even had the headmaster and some of the teachers. We interviewed about 5 or 6 families each, and we collected all the information. We made copies of all their documents. Okay, so for each of the clients we have to fill in an intake form, which is about 16 pages long, and then we put all of that into this one envelope, and now we have a whole pile of paper. So in the past, what we would do is have to email these documents back and forth between the lawyers, and people would often lose the latest copy. And at first I was a bit skeptical because I'm a bit of a technical dinosaur. But then I started to try it and I got addicted. With our birth registration project, the biggest problem is that you never get full information from the client. And so the function that I really enjoy is the task allocation function. So you can press on activity, then allocate a task, and you can actually see the picture of the person that you're allocating the task to. And they receive a notification telling them what their task is. What we are trying to do is work out what are the blockages within Home Affairs in terms of their practices, in terms of their laws. And then once we can find that out through analysing trends in these cases, we will then start negotiating with Home Affairs to change those. In South Africa, you have quite a few public interest law firms, and they can sometimes be doing similar cases but not talking to each other. So I think this tool has the capacity to improve communication between all the public interest litigators, which would improve the success of the cases and the impact of the cases, which would unlock access to services for many people in the country.